What's up, y'all? It's Ruby. We gonna start this week today. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. So we gonna do this little blowout. It's like a little blowout swoop bang thing on this wig. This is the wig. It's like a chocolate brown. I don't know how long this shit is, but we gonna guess. I'm gonna say about 30-ish. But this what the wig look like. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna start parting the wig. It's like a side part. So take the rat tail comb that bitch out. Alright, right here, I'm really finna start the side part. I'm trying to figure out, cause every time I part, I could not see shit, and this is why I'm supposed to pluck. So as you can see, I'm struggling. This is where I bust out gel. I don't know what type of gel this is. I just bust out any and every type of gel. So anything to hold this bitch down. I use this gel because that other gel was weak as shit. So if you do use this though, it's gonna make your wig flaky as fuck a little bit. And if it do, then spray some Shine It on spray on that. I don't know what brand because I took the label off that bitch. But I recommend you use like some type of other gel. I haven't found really gel yet, so I ain't got no wax stick. I just bought the bitch. Trust the process. The part coming soon. You see it. Don't ask me why the fuck I got one nail long. Mind your business. So what I'm doing right here is I'm gelling everything down so that it's not in the way of me parting and so that the part looks clean. I'm putting gel at the front of the wig so that it can create structure in the bangs, like the flip over. You see what I'm talking about? And I put my finger there so that it holds its shape. So I'm finna take a palette, any palette that is like your skin color, and I use that to define the part. So it didn't look like how I wanted it to look, so I'm just gonna layer it and then go over it with the actual like bigger flat iron. You see the difference? So I took out some big ass scissors because I was just trying to layer this bitch and go to sleep. So I'm curling the ends outwards to give it that blowout look. So I think it's kind of coming together. So I'm using some gels to prep the edges, and I'm gonna use some of the braiding gel also so it can hold. So I put my thumb on the edges and then I guide it with the rat tail comb. So I'm using the brush to fluff the wig a bit so it can give it more volume. So this is how the wig looks, and I will be trying it on, but before I do, what color should I dye this wig?